Veggie cold. Why you icy?
Okay, so today's my friend Key's birthday. Look at my hand. I don't got on no lashes. My hair not finished. Like, I never get a chance to do what I said I'm gonna do. Ever. This is why I don't take pictures. Look at my fucking hair. Then on top of everything else, I'm supposed to be there at fucking 1:30. It's 1:45. And look at this. Look how slow traffic is going. And I hate Chicago sometimes. Why do y'all drive like this? Y'all some pussy. Ooh, I'm mad.
30, baby, won't you meet me by the beam? Too early, maybe later, you could show me things. You know what it is whenever I visit Windy City. Did I see? No, 30 degrees, way to go, so hold me tight. Will I see you at the show tonight? Will I see you at the show tonight?
Say hi, Paul. My birthday girl, what's happy birthday to me? It's Gemini season, so happy birthday to Maya. Oh, hell no, it's already Gemini. But it's Gemini season, period. Fuck the Cancer. I ain't gonna say fuck horses because I like y'all to let things go. That's all you got to say, too. Birthday girl. I'm glad I caught that on camera. One thing about it, Key gonna touch my food. One day I'm gonna chop her damn hand off. It's Gemini season. We the best. We the best. Who ordered these? Who ordered them shots, Sylvia? Who ordered those? She gonna get the same. I'd rather be in jail than alone, nigga. Oh my God. This is the murderer.
Hey. Truck to the plane, to the truck to the hotel lobby. Me, I go through underground garages, presidential suite on deposit, elevator up to the room, shower up and then we hit the club. Touchdown, gotta see what's up. Area code in my phone. What numbers do I?
Nisha.
Nene. Wake up. Pick that head up, baby girl. I'm finna have to drive. Like, Nisha. Oh, my God.
This lady is knocked out, y'all.
Nene.
I'm finna tickle her, bro.
Bro, we gotta get out the car and get this lady up, for real. This is outrageous. Hold on.
Yo, we've been driving for 2 hours and she's been asleep the whole time. Ever since we left the dam earlier, this lady been knocked the fuck out. Like, I don't know what we finna do. How she's gonna get home? She finna have to drive home. The birthday girl gotta drive home.
Actually, nobody needs to do better. Low quality, bitch. 10 out 0 out of fucking 10. My fucking feet fucking hurt. A terrible fucking never. I'm irritated as fuck.
Bro, please.
Hold on.
Good freaking afternoon. I was supposed to vlog when I woke up this morning, but I was still tired. I was supposed to do somebody here at 10 a.m. Yeah, missed that. I was knocked out. Like, we had a time last night. Look at my head. I'm just not waking up at 2 something. It's like 2:30 right now. I just got out the shower. I was supposed to be going out with my friends again today, but I ain't gonna do that. And then I had to drive a lot, so yeah, that wasn't fun. That's the only part that wasn't fun about it. Me having to drive. Today, me and my niece are about to get ready and go to this beach. I've been wanting to go to the beach for the longest. So I finally found somebody to drag along with me. But we finna get ready and go to the beach. And then, yeah. Hold on, I'm getting a call. Okay, that call is really interrupting me. Oh my God, I need to do my hair because I look so wretched. But this is swimsuit I'm gonna be wearing today to the beach. And I'm excited. I'm ready to go. But I gotta do my hair real quick. I might take pictures today since we're going to the beach. It's gonna be like one of them type of vibes. I don't know. I kind of want to change it to my pink swimsuit, but this will do. But yeah, me and my niece, we finna get ready and go to the beach. We getting our stuff together. So I will be back with y'all once we are either in a car or at the beach. So see y'all in 2 seconds. We are out. Oh, don't vlog and drive, and don't drink and drive either. So we just made it to Slice Factory. I wish I could speak in an accent for real. We just made it to Slice Factory.
If y'all looking for it, it's on 18th and left.
We downtown.
I don't want to be a chicken. I don't want to be a duck. I just want to shake my butt.
Y'all want to know what's so crazy? I shaved them to one arm. So I'm just out here reckless, but I don't even care. Because who's going to be under my armpits except me in the sand? I can't wait to get in the sand, y'all. But we just stopped to grab some pizza from Slice Factory real quick. And you don't need that much pizza?
How many pieces do it eat?
Do you see how big that pizza is? If you eat the whole thing at once, you're gonna be full. This bitch is fat. Yeah, y'all. We just came to get some pizza real quick because we got liquor and stuff. So we want to try to, eat before we be drinking and be in the sun and stuff. So, I guess the next time that y'all see us, we gonna be at the beach, getting ourselves prepared and set up. I'm trying to charge my phone a little bit too because I don't know, I went to sleep without charging my phone, so yeah. But yeah, I'll talk to y'all later when we get to the beach. Slice Factory. This is your first time having Slice Factory? Really? It's good. You're gonna like it.
30 baby, won't you meet me by the beam? Too early, maybe later you could show me things. You know what it is whenever I visit Windy City. No, 30 degrees, way to go, so hold me tight. Will I see you at the show tonight? Will I see you at the show tonight?
Hey. Truck to the plane, to the truck to the hotel lobby. Me, I go through underground garages. President.
Y'all, we finally out here, but the weather didn't fucking change, so now it's kind of cold. It ain't cold as hell, but damn. Can it be back 80 degrees? Maybe we took too long.
It's gonna be 5 o'clock. I mean, it is 5 o'clock. Actually, it's 5 o'clock.
But yeah, we finna go to this little water. I'm so excited and I just can't hide it.
Water.
Yeah.
I thought it was the sand.
Yeah, the sand, but you know. The sandbox.
The bebop.
But yeah, we got a long walk ahead of us, so I'll record when we get back over there. I can't break your heart, but I know that you could break mine.
On deposit, elevator up to the room, shower up and then we hit the club. Touchdown, gotta see what's up. Area code in my phone. What numbers do I still have? Who do I know from the past? Hit one, she say she got a man. Hit another one, it goes green. Must've changed foes on the team. Remember when you let me in between? That was 2017. All good.
It's so funny, but it feels good. It don't even feel cold no more. Is it still cold to you? You cold?
About a water.
I ain't cold. I like this weather. I'm chilling.
Wait, so excuse me.
But we finna eat and listen to music, and then I'll come back when we start taking some shots or something. But we finna get litty. We should have brought some fucking jackets because I don't know how long we gonna be out here. But the weather, the temperature is like literally going down. But look at the water, y'all. Then look at the fucking buildings back there. We is out here.
Pull up on that block, popping at the ops. Caught a nigga with his bitch slipping at the light. He got in his top. Fuck nigga, that's some GLD. Hacks on the trap, pull up on that block, popping at the ops. Caught a nigga with his bitch slipping at the light. He got in his top. Fuck nigga, that's some GLD. Come get it, cut the smoke for free. Young niggas,
That's why I picked it. Okay, damn it. That's not.
You did the same thing to me, fucker.
I didn't pour your shot, bro.
Oh, you didn't?
No.
I don't know how to pour shots. I'm gonna pour your ass a whole cup.
Like, bro.
shots, that's my energy. I got killers with me in his feet. Shoot shit up like we in a V.
I'm irritated. This is not a shot.
You don't gotta pick on this.
I'm not.
On that block, popping at the racks on your TOP. Fuck nigga, that's on GLD. Come get it, cut the smoke for free.
I'm just drinking Blanco, so I'm just like.
Pussy got hit in the head. Don't mention my name, he got hit in the leg. Get out the car to the bed if we find out you dead.
I said this looking finna warm you up.
Ulysses bed.
Now this is low key like a bath. I ain't even gonna fucking lie, but I wish it was a little bit warmer because it is a little cold. So, but it's not cold as shit though.
Make this song, pussy we scope. Gotta be a dog, she loving it. I know she used to
Ooh, I'm finna take some pictures and I'll be back, y'all. You gotta stop the video. Yeah. Hey. Y'all, okay. Y'all, we finna pack it up and leave, but I don't wanna go home. I just wanna stay here. I really wanna stay here. No, for real. But it's definitely time to go. It's too motherfucking cold, so we got to get the fuck out of here. So I'll hit y'all back when I get home. Why? Bro.
Veggie cold. Why you icy?